The location is Formentera, Spain. You've likely heard of its more famous neighbor Ibiza, Spain, which is only about 10 miles away. Formentera is smaller and quieter, with pristine beaches, quaint towns, luxury yachts, and tons of young people touring the island by motor scooter. I'm here with my friend Andy on his sailing boat. Last episode, we did a quick sail from the north end of Formentera around to the west side to perhaps the most beautiful beach and cove on the whole island, a place called Cala Saona. Cala means cove in Spanish.
So the place where we're going is called Cala Saona, I think you pronounce it.
It's a well-known destination among wealthy Europeans who want rest and relaxation in a luxurious setting. The yachties in the cove spend their days enjoying the sunshine, playing with boat toys, drinking, and eating delicious meals. That brings me to this boat-driving delivery dude named Wifi. Yes, that's Spanish for Wi-Fi. Today we're going to learn about why he has one of the most interesting jobs I've ever seen.
How's it going? Got a question for you.
Yeah, tell me.
So I'm doing a video.
Yeah.
You delivered the paella.
Yeah, I work for the restaurant.
Okay, cool.
In 15 minutes, I'm gonna bring paella for some lunch.
Okay.
My name is Wifi.
Wifi?
Wifi, like Wi-Fi.
Oh, Wi-Fi.
Yeah?
Where are you from?
Argentina.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
See you in a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, he's got the paella.
That's awesome. Nice. I was gonna say it'd be cool if I was with you and I had one of the deliveries or something. What do you think?
Do you want to make an interview with paella on my head?
Interview, yeah.
So, I think in 15 minutes it's
There's another delivery, huh? 15?
Yeah. And it's like a paella bolognese with like lobster.
So how did you end up here from Argentina?
Yeah, I lived here in Formentera like 12 years ago. I came to there.
Unfortunately, you can't hear much because of the boat motor, so I'll tell you what I learned of Wifi's interesting background. He grew up near the Paraná River in Argentina, where he loved boating and sailing. He visited Spain in 2010, intending to only stay for 3 months of sightseeing, but that all changed when the airline for his return ticket went bankrupt and canceled his return flight. He couldn't afford another flight, so he stayed in Barcelona. In Barcelona, he first worked as a lifeguard and then met a family who owned a bohemian-style clothing store called Encantus on the island of Formentera. They asked him to work at the store, so the very next day he moved to Formentera. That was in 2010, and the rest, as they say, is history. Now he works for this restaurant called Sol, and also at the neighboring Cala Saona hotel. We'll talk a bit more about his interesting boating career in a few minutes.
So this is the restaurant where you work?
This is the restaurant. This is the restaurant Sol.
And it's usually only busy during the turismo months?
Yeah. Today is a quiet day.
Okay.
I have a lot of work normally. In August it's so hard. But I really like the summer and the sea, so I'm happy for that.
Okay.
I can work on this. This is my office.
Okay.
This is the last week in August when the tourist season is winding down and the restaurant is relatively slow. Wifi tells me in July and early August the amount of people is insane. So I'm currently just waiting on standby for him to get the next order of paella and then run off to the boat. But they told me to set off to the side here. They didn't really want me doing much filming into the restaurant there. So they kind of put me off to the side to wait for the guy because I knew I was kind of doing a journalism kind of deal rather than a patron, rather than being a restaurant patron. So I'm just hanging tight right now. And it's showtime. He has the granddaddy of all paellas, the Paella Bogavante.
So you got the paella?
Yeah.
It's like a lobster style.
It's lobster, yeah.
Increíble.
Let's go to the boat.
How often do you do this then? Every 10, 15 minutes?
Yeah, it's 20 minutes. I go with a paella to the boat.
Wow, this one smells incredible.
Yeah.
And it's a big one too.
Yeah, this is for 8.
8 people?
Yeah.
He tells me this one will serve 8 people and costs more than $450. I tried to count how many lobsters are in it, and it's too many to count. This legend of a dish typically includes lobster, prawns, mussels, olive oil, chorizo, vegetables, rice, saffron, white wine, and other ingredients. I didn't get to taste it, but I can tell you it smelled incredible.
You come on this side? Okay. Be careful, please.
He tells me to get into the boat. I was super nervous about maybe splashing water or planting my foot right in the middle of a $450 paella.
Okay.
I ask him how he started this whole delivery of the paella on the head. He tells me that before he started working at the restaurant, the delivery boats would simply put the paella on the floor of the boat, but he finds it safer and easier to carry it on his head, and he thought it might help with getting better tips. So that's how it all started. It was all his initiative.
Just let me put this on the bucket.
Oh, yes. What's the name of the restaurant?
Sol.
Sol? Okay.
I walk to for the Cala Saona hotel.
What places?
Okay.
And you put it on the head again, huh?
Yeah.
That's part of the beauty of it.
Yeah. Okay,
It's heavy, huh? Cuidado.
A little bit, don't worry. It's the easier way to bring the paella.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, better on the cloth. Do me a favor?
Yes.
The rope on the front.
There's a line dangling in the water from the bow of the boat, so he tells me to grab it and put it back in the boat.
You see it? Okay. Put it in on the boat, please. Because that is dangerous.
Yes, the propeller.
Yeah.
Okay,
So let's go. Let's go to the boat. Por aquí.
Hola, que arte para llevar la paella.
Okay. Ok, mira, la coges de aquí por debajo, ¿ok? Por debajo, con esta mano debajo. Okay. Debajo. Okay.
No te quemes.
Eso es.
¿Puedes? Hay que ayudarle.
Aquí los chipirones, estos los patrones. Vale.
Ahora dinos lo que es. Y el mira a ver cuánto te da.
Provecho. Bueno.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to your boat. It's a hard work. It's a hard work, but yeah, but it's cool. Work on the beach and the bay. You know, I think sometimes I see a video of you. Yeah. For sure. Yeah. I watch YouTube all the time. But I have YouTube on my touch.
Oh, awesome.
Let's check out the tattoo.
Yeah.
Oh, no way. That was awesome, man. That's so cool.
And my name is Wifi.
Wi-Fi. That's awesome, dude. Cool. Do you want a beer?
What?
Do you want a beer?
Okay, give me
Cerveza.
okay, give me one.
So you do the, you just met people. Then the Argentinians run the restaurant sold or no?
No. I'm here to work in a clothes shop,
Okay.
and after I start to sailing and go in on the sea, and you have
Scuba diving. Or,
Yeah, I love the sea, so
Yeah.
I sailing so much. I have like 6 boats here.
Okay.
I have 3 lasers and.
You rent them out? You rent them?
No.
Just for you?
It's just for me.
Yeah.
But it's all recycled boats,
Okay.
you know. Thank you.
Gracias.
So I need to go to the next paella.
Gracias.
See you next
Okay.
time. Bye.
Estamos en contacto en Correo. I look up your channel. I'll send you a message.
Take a look.
Gracias.
Bye.
Okay.
So there he goes. I learned more about his passion for sailing when I contacted him on Instagram. Wifi owns a couple of salvaged boats on the island that people have either given to him or sold him for cheap. He also has his captain's license, and in the off-season he delivers boats from the Canary Islands to the Balearics. And he has a really cool YouTube sailing channel called Sailing Alicios. Okay, a huge thanks to Wifi. That guy is a living legend, and in case you're wondering, he tells me he has never dropped a paella, so there you go. Please check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to link it below. He and his friends have only made a couple of videos, and they're in Spanish, but the cinematography is awesome. Actually, the channel puts my channel to shame with the really great camera style, cinematography. Definitely check it out. And check out Andy's Sailing Podcast. I'll link below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Next episode, Andy and I will show you more of Cala Saona, and we prepare for our 32-hour sail back to the Spanish mainland. See you next week.